Welcome. If you're looking to create a new Instagram account on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to do it with the latest update, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram.com. You'll be greeted by the login page. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see the usual login fields right here. Now, if you're already logged in to an Instagram account, don't worry. You can still create a new one. Look over to the left-hand side of the page, where you'll see a More option in the menu. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, click on Log In. This will take you to the login page, even if you're already logged into your current account. Once you're on the login page, you'll see the Sign Up button. Go ahead and click on that to move on to creating your new account. Now, it's time to fill out your details. You'll need to provide a few key pieces of information: your full name, an email address or phone number, and a password. Make sure the email or phone number you use is one you have access to, because Instagram will use it to verify your account. Once you've filled in all the fields, just click Sign Up. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Instagram account on your PC. You can now start exploring Instagram, customizing your profile, and sharing your first post. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.